Ha? Picture ka? Wait lang. Wala akong makita rito.
Marami ko niyan. Doon ka ba sa maninipit?
Puro black kasi medyas ko eh. Oh, ito 63 oh.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Bango. Princess, sumawak ka. Dito sa kamay ko, dito sa kamay ko. Sa baba nga, ayun may shawarma. Tayo. Sa ulo. Okay, kapa. May shawarma eh. May nakita ako shawarma. Parang dito. Nawala. Oo, nakita yun. Walang takoyaki. Saan ko nakita yun? Ito nga. Ay, no? Ay, ang mahal. Ito. Ay, dalawa siya.
Dalawang kano.
Isang set pala to.
Magkano?
Wala silang per piece. By set. Ito, te.
Sa mawala ka, pangita ko lang.
Oo.
Ito ma'am sa maliit gamit natin.
159.
Dalawa kayo ng alternatibo. 159?
159.
Maganda dito ma'am Lee. Mami, pakita ko lang po yung demo. Libre lang po yung demonstration. And then one of the good thing po yung sa may product na dami. Gagawa tayo ng alternative.
Shawarma.
What plus one?
1 plus 1 is? Sabi na tumalino.
Tumalino naman, tumalino. Gusto mo dito kamanda para pwede tayo mag-back to back?
Gusto ko lang mag-hi dito sa mga friends ko dito. Gusto nila dito, close up.
So kanina pa rin siya nandyan. Kanina ka pa nandyan? Hindi ko napansin eh.
Kasi nga sabi, sponge cola lang, saka lang.
Thank you so much. Naging paniwala kami ni Kay magsalita over the past few years. Maganda yung years na kami ni Kay eh. Grabe no? Akalain mo kasi ngayon kasi 24 years old na ako eh. So nagkakilala kami noon. Nung minsan kami nga dito parang wala naniwala ah. Guys, Ma'am Karil. Too tight.